Hi there, students. Recoil or recoil. Well, a noun and a verb to recoil. The recoil as a noun. Notice the recoil, stress on the first syllable. To recoil, stress on the second syllable. Okay, if something makes you recoil, you move backwards, you move away from it because it's horrible, because it hurts, because it's disgusting, because it's offensive. So I opened the door and recoiled at the awful smell. I went to kiss her, but she recoiled. She moved backwards. She didn't fancy it at all. Okay, we're attracted by good smells. Things that smell nice attract us, but we recoil from nasty ones, from unpleasant smells. So to recoil, to move back. It's physically when you move away from something. You could recoil at the idea of doing something. You don't want to do it. You dislike the idea very much. So I recoil at the idea of fighting in a battle. I recoil at the idea of joining the army. The girl recoiled at the idea of kissing the old man, to draw back, to shrink back, to shy away from, to move away from. And then you can have the recoil of a gun. When you fire a gun, it knocks you backwards. This is to do with the conservation of momentum, conservation of energy. So it's a rifle or a gun fires a bullet forwards. Well, that energy has to have an equal and opposite energy backwards, and it kicks back. So when the gun fired, it recoiled and knocked me over. The recoil of the gun knocked me over. Okay, so to recoil, to jerk back as if you've been hit, or maybe because something is just disgusting, you draw back in disgust. Something can recoil upon you. So if maybe you play a practical joke on somebody which recoils on you, it recoils on you, it hurts the person who does it. So the lack of compassion that this government has shown may well recoil on them, may come back to hurt them. So you do something, but it recoils, it comes back against you. His demanding attitude may recoil on him. He who lives by the sword may die by the sword. That's the effectively violence recoiling upon you. Okay, so the recoil of a gun when fired, the act of recoiling, to draw back, to move back. So to flinch, to move back, to move away. This is the idea of to recoil. So she felt him recoil from her in fear. Revenge may recoil upon the person who takes it, rebound on them, go back on them. Many people recoil in horror when they see a spider like this, a great big hairy spider. We recoil in horror at the idea of inflicting pain on somebody. The recoil of the gun was so violent it almost knocked me on my back. Most people would recoil at the sight of a snake. If you do something evil, it may recoil on the head of the doer. People often recoil at the idea of getting into debt. We are attracted by nice smells and recoil from nasty ones. Okay, so the the recoil could knock you over. I recoil at the idea of doing something like that. Okay, so I recoil at the idea of polluting the planet. Okay, so to fall back, to shrink back, to move away. You could recoil emotionally, internally. My mind recoiled at the thought. I recoiled from the danger, to spring back as if to its starting point. And the act of recoiling, or the kickback from a gun. So the recoil of something. To spring back, to flinch back in horror, in disgust. He recoiled in horror. Whoa. To feel horror or disgust at the thought of something. To feel revulsion at, to recoil at something. To be unable to bear. To spring back as though something has hit you, or from elasticity. So the muscle stretches and then it recoils, it comes back. An action having a reverse effect on the person who starts it. If we continue to upset the ecosystem of our planet, it will eventually recoil on us. It will come back to us. It will rebound us. It will misfire. Okay, so recoil in fear, or dislike, or disapproval. I recoiled from the filthy smell. I recoiled at the idea of picking up something so disgusting. The gun recoiled when I fired it. So to recoil, whereas a verb recoil, the recoil. And that's effectively the pronunciation. So, to recoil. Recoil. Formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. I think you could probably use informally, semi-formally, and in something formal. I think maybe in something informal, to shy away, to move away might be a better word. And then, what about some origin from reculer, to move back in French, which originally coulus, your bottom in French, so it's backing away. So recoil.